I'm so excited about these gifts. Seriously, where is Creed? I finished all the family Christmas presents. I feel like I don't even know what to vlog. Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogmas. I'm pretty sure today is day 24, which means for you guys, when you're watching this or when this video is uploaded, it is Christmas Eve. I feel like I'm slightly tilted, and so I'm sorry. Whatever. Anyway, so I feel like today is the 24th. I mean, in my world, it's the 21st, but for you guys, it is Christmas Eve. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Christmas Eve. I woke up this morning just feeling like I don't want to say an elephant on my chest, but I just feel like I have so much to do and we're like at crunch time. And this week there's been things pop up that I wasn't taking into consideration. Like I wasn't planning on having to do these things, which is not that big of a deal, except for I wish I would have known last week so I could prioritize a little bit better, but it's fine. We're gonna get it all done. But I literally am just feeling so much like I literally have today and tomorrow. That's it. I have today and tomorrow because on Thursday we're leaving around 11 o'clock, which will give me enough time to clean the house. And that is what I want to do on Thursday. I want to make sure everything is clean, everything is packed, the car is cleaned out. Like I don't want to have to come back to a messy house. I don't want to have to travel in a dirty car. You know, like I want to get those things done. So today and tomorrow, that's it. That's all the time I have left to finish Vlogmas videos, to do all the plan with me's that I had planned out, to finish my family's gifts. So yeah, today I'm gonna finish my family Christmas presents. I'm going to get this order done and in the mailbox. I need to edit Sunday's video and yesterday's video, and somewhere in there film plan with me's and edit those two. I feel like I don't even know what to vlog today, to be honest, because I'm just so like I've got to get stuff done that I don't want to just have to remember to film, but I need to film. Oh, the struggle of vlogging every day. Finished all the family Christmas presents. I'm so excited. I think for the most part they turned out really cute. Some of them are not as like straight as I would like them to be, but you know what, that's part of having handmade stuff, is it's not always perfect, but it's still really cute. And then this one has it on both sides because my sister kind of helped me figure out what her husband would like, and she liked both of these options, so he got one on each side, but everybody else just got like one thing on one side, which was enough for me. So I can officially say I am done with Christmas presents minus one thing. I want to do a vinyl for James, but it's more of a joke gift. Like his gift is done, so this is more of just like a gag gift, if you will, because I have an extra mug. So I'm gonna do that, but that's gonna be like on the last little bit of things. But I'm so excited about these gifts. I hope my family loves them. I know they will, but I'm so excited about them. Hey guys, so I kind of left you hanging today. I have just been busy. I was editing a bunch because I'm trying to get like ahead, or not even ahead, just get like everything done so that way we can leave on Thursday. So I just got into an editing hole, and then we actually went and had dinner with James's family, and so We just got home from that, but I wanted to show you what I made for my dad for his birthday, because my dad's birthday is on Christmas, and I realized today, like, my mind, like, I can't even process that it's almost Christmas. So I was like, oh my goodness, his birthday is coming up and I don't have anything for him. So I had an extra one of like the glass mugs. So I made him, this is so cool. I'm so excited about this. This is probably my favorite thing that I've made. But it says, Dad, I love you 3000. If you guys have watched the Avengers Endgame, then you know that reference. But I say that to him a lot. And so I was like, I want to put this on a mug. So I finished my vinyl this morning, and then this afternoon I was like, no, I need to go make one more thing. So I did that. So all of my Christmas slash my dad's birthday gift stuff is all done, and got videos edited. I worked on this video also, like I've started editing this, so it was just a big editing day. So I apologize for like just dropping and like not vlogging, but it had to happen. Also, update on Larry. He's not looking well, but I actually got this stuff that's supposed to help him. So I'm really hoping that he will be okay. He's not looking okay. I'm very upset, but it's gonna be okay. He wasn't supposed to live this long anyway, but still, it just makes me so sad. Anyway, so that's the update. We did go to Lowe's and get that stuff before we went to dinner, and I'm just so sad. But it'll be all right. He's seriously, he's not gonna, I don't think he's gonna make it. Well, I'm believing that he's gonna make it, but like, he looks so sad. Advent time, Advent time, Advent time. Alright guys, it's Advent time. Dixie knows it's Advent time. She's ready.
She's ready, Freddy.
21.
Green bones are the treats for me.
I can't keep up. There we go. Day 21.
Melozio.
Be candy cane, be candy cane, be candy cane. It's chai.
Chai?
I want candy
That's
cane.
disgusting.
No, I'm sure it'll be good, but I really just want candy cane.
I'm sure it won't be good.
Alright, Creed. It's gotta be Creed.
I'm going Erin.
Alright. Be Creed, be Creed, 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 Creed.
I think it's Andy when he was the old man.
Seriously, where is Creed?
It could be Creed. No, it's Creed. It's got the blood from the Halloween episode.
Yes, Creed! Creed joined the party. Alright guys, so we're gonna wrap up the vlog here so I can edit it, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, we did not do a question of the day. Again, who do you think is gonna be day 24? Let me know in the comments.
Classy Santa.
I think it's Classy Santa,
Classy
but let me know in the comments if you have any guesses on which Office character is gonna show up on day 24. But that is it for today's video. We will see you guys tomorrow for the last day of Vlogmas.
You're gonna miss the last two.
I'm gonna post a picture in my community tab, so make sure that you're paying attention to that, and I will post the last two for you guys, because we're not gonna vlog them because we're leaving on Thursday, which means we'll open Thursday and Fridays together, but I will definitely share that with you guys in the community tab. But that is it for today's video. We'll see you back here tomorrow for the last day of Vlogmas 2021. I'm so excited. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.